In our last video, we explored neurorobotics for any one humanoid robot, which wowed us with its ability to assist with household chores. Today, we're shifting gears to introduce you to another game-changing robot, but this one comes with a twist. Meet Alex, newest addition to the already crowded humanoid robot space, designed by Boardwalk Robotics. But here is what makes it different. Alex doesn't have legs. Instead, it's all about upper body strength, focusing on tasks in manufacturing, logistics, and maintenance. Before we dive deeper, let's talk about the brains behind Alex. Boardwalk Robotics has a strong connection with IHMC, the Institute for Human-Machine Cognition. IHMC has a legendary reputation in the world of bipedal robotics. They have previously even collaborated with NASA to train Valkyrie, one of the most expensive humanoid ever built, which NASA eventually plans on sending to Mars. Boardwalk, founded in 2017, has collaborated with IHMC on various projects, including the Nadia humanoid. Alex is different from the traditional humanoid robots we've seen. It's designed to be practical and cost-effective by focusing on what really matters in industrial settings, manipulation. With its stable base, Alex doesn't need legs to excel. Instead, it offers advanced manipulation capabilities that are perfect for tasks where mobility isn't crucial. But don't worry, legs could still be in Alex's future. But for now, the focus is on safety by keeping Alex on a stable base so it can work closer to humans, move its arms faster, and maintain a dynamic safety zone. So, there you have it, Alex, the humanoid robot that's all about getting the job done efficiently and safely, without the need for legs. At least for now, it's a bold new direction in robotics, and we can't wait to see how it evolves. If you enjoyed this look into the future of industrial robotics, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think about Alex and the future of humanoid robots. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.